Today I'm making sandwich rolls and a cheddar burger with the side of steak fries. Here's some of the ingredients I'll be using. I'm going to start heating up my milk and butter. Heat this just enough until the butter melts. And then transfer to a bowl. Mixing warm water with some yeast, letting it bloom. Check the temperature of the milk, make sure it's below 110 degrees and mix in the yeast. Add in sugar, salt, and an egg. Mix well. Add in half the amount of flour, half a cup at a time. Plastic wrap, set it somewhere warm and let it proof until it's doubled in size. I have 2 medium-sized potatoes here, cut into thick fries. Rinse out the starch with cold water until the water runs clear. Place in a pot, add some vinegar, fill with enough water to cover. Bring it up to a simmer and cook the fries for about 15 minutes or until it snaps easily, but you don't want them to overcook where it's mushy. Drain really well, set aside and let it cool to room temp. Now my dough has doubled in size. I'm going to deflate it with a fork and add in the rest of my flour. At this point, I'm going to flour my bench and knead it a couple of times until the flour is well incorporated. Place in an oiled, clean bowl, plastic wrap, and let it proof until it's doubled in size. Heat up a pot of oil at 300 degrees and pre-fry the potatoes for about 2 minutes. Drain really well and then place in the freezer until ready to use. Next, forming my burgers. These are 4 ounces each, grass-fed 80 by 20 beef. Work each piece with your hands, emulsifying the fat. And flatten out as thin as possible. And poke a hole in the middle. This helps it cook evenly. Place back in fridge and let it chill. Now back to the dough. Prepare a greased sheet tray and cut into 6 pieces. Now form each piece into a circle by rolling between your hands against the table. Then pick it up and throw it against the table. This helps seal the edges. Plastic wrap and let it proof until doubled in size. Preheat oven at 350. Brush the rolls with melted butter before they go in the oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Place on a cooling rack and set aside. Now start frying your fries. Bring the oil up to 350 and a cast iron pan to medium heat. Cook the fries until they begin to float, and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until desired crispiness. While that's frying, I'm going to start on my burgers. Season with salt and pepper and place in pan seasoned side down. Season the other side with salt and pepper. By now the fries should be done. Toss with salt and set aside somewhere warm. Cook the burgers until they're caramelized and flip. Then add your cheddar and cover with the lid to allow the cheese to melt. Start assembling your burgers. Slice your buns in half. Add your burger and top off with any other toppings that you like. I like to add mine with onions. And there you have it, cheddar burger on a roll with a side of steak fries. Don't forget the ketchup. Cameraman here likes mayonnaise on his burger. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.